Second day of the 14-day Kickstart program. How do you feel, darling?
I'm feeling fine. Yesterday it was a very good day's eating. I've lost half a kilo. The only disadvantage was that obviously drinking so much water, I was up 2 or 3 times in the night for a pee. So this morning when the alarm went off at 7 o'clock, I was a little tired, but now I'm raring to go.
Anyway, half a kilo on one day is not bad, is it? I have not lost that, but even so, I feel really good considering that we had a really low calorie intake yesterday. We had coffee, we had egg, and we had steak, the main protein over the day, and I feel great, I must admit. A bit surprised really. Lots of love. Bye bye.
Still got the energy to do my turbo boosting fitness regime, which is 25 press ups a day for 25 days as PTSD awareness challenge, a couple of half-an-hour walks with the dog and a bit of cycling. So I'm getting really fit.
Today we have had coffee again for the morning and we are out walking. This morning I have done a HIIT session times 3, 7 minutes each, and then I have done some stretches and another HIIT session. So energy is absolutely up. I feel really good. Lots of love to you all wherever you are in the world. Bye bye.